So here is our very own Deutsch Edition Mini with all of the F56 models that we've built so far. The Beltlines is a bit of vinyl that we stick to it. This has been the case through the R53 and R56. BMW have finally released a full kit, which is a painted belt kit. So let me show you. After a period of time, no matter how good a vehicle wrapper does it, they lift due to jet wash and stuff getting behind it. As you can see here, where we've cleaned this car so many times, it's started to lift. So what we're going to do is remove the trims. They come direct from BMW as a complete replacement kit. We will put the part numbers into our video so you can see what you need to buy. This is only for the F56 model. They don't unfortunately do it for the R53 and the R56. So it is only for this model. It could be for the F55, I believe. You'd have to look into it, but certainly for this model, the F56, that's what it's for. So I'm going to start by removing them. We'll unbox it and start piecing it all together, and hopefully it'll look much better. Look at it. Beautiful. Trims now fitted. As you can see, they're now perfect. So there won't be any lifting now they're painted. It would have been much more dramatic effects for you if these were as they were as standard, which were chrome. So obviously it does look very similar to the before and after, but it's a massive difference. There's no lifting, there's no problems with it. We're going to put the part numbers up in the description. If you have any trouble fitting them, give us a shout, we'll help you out, or we can fit them for you. But it makes a massive difference.